Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So, this reading is specifically for the ones who are in some kind of a situationship. For God's sake, please do not consider yourself committed, at least, or do not consider yourself single also. Yeah, that I think you won't. So, let's begin. Let's see. We'll try to find out what universe is wanting you to know about the situationship, about this person. So you can just close your eyes and you can think about your person while I'll shuffle the cards. And this one is going to be in Hindi and English mix, okay? So this I'm checking. So my question was, whomsoever you are dealing with, जिस भी person के साथ आप एक situationship में हो, what is universe wanting to reveal through this relationship? Okay, first thing. So here we got the card of astrological transits. There's a very strong chances. There's a very strong potential as well that you are going through some kind of a astrological shift in your life. Okay, now I'm not an astrologer, so I don't have much idea about planets and everything, but I do feel that there's some change in your planetary system. Okay, आपका जो अपना खुद का एक individual planetary system है उसमें कोई change दिख रहा है मुझे, and that is the reason why you are attracting these kind of people, why you are in a situationship, why you're not getting that true love of your life, why some of you are not being able to get married, whatever it may be. Okay, या तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप लोगों में से किसी की धैया चल रही थी या चलने वाली है. ओके, धैया जितना मुझे पता है, आई थिंक इट्स अ पीरियड ऑफ 2 years. Okay, which is not really easy. Okay, it's going to be a tough one. I think it is ruled by Saturn. Otherwise you can check on Google as well. Okay, or Rahu energies were also there. So Rahu क्या करता है, Rahu आपके सामने एक illusion create करने की कोशिश करता है. Okay, तो इस टाइप की अभी तक आपकी लाइफ में एनर्जीज चल रही थी जो मुझे यहाँ पे लगता है कि एंड होने वाली है वेरी सून, because we got the card of awakening as well, and it says you are the light worker, become conscious of your soul's light powers. Now a lot of you who are in a situationship, now you are becoming more conscious about the situationship. Now you can see the truth of the situationship. Now you see what exactly you have been feeling and what you are feeling now, or what the other person has been feeling and what they are feeling now. Okay, and this is a time of your awakening. Okay, of your spiritual growth. Earlier you were in some kind of darkness, you were in some kind of illusion, but now it is the light of universe, or you can say it is a light of your higher self, light of your atma, which is showing you the way. Okay, so as this astrological transit is also happening, you will see that your life is going to change. Okay, so from any kind of situationship you will choose either to become single, to be single, or to be in a relationship, or and that too a good one, a solid one, a stable one, where you get that stability, and you are awakening to a fact that if I do not get this commitment, if I do not receive this long-term stability, I am not up for it. So there's no situationship. So this entire situationship thing is eliminating from your life. This entire situationship is taking an exit from your life. The reason being because now you are understanding that there's a lot of physical attraction also. Okay, so probably and it's not necessary that you both have been in any kind of physical intimacy. It could be, and it could not, it may not be. Okay, but what I see here is it's also written your soul is yearning for its counterpart. Physical meeting is getting closer, but intuitively I don't feel that. I literally feel that there's something about this person. Okay, either they look good, or even if you are around them, you'll feel that very strong pull towards this person. You'll feel some kind of attraction, some kind of physical attraction also. So आपका मन करेगा कि आप इस पर्सन के साथ बैठो, आपका मन करेगा कि आप इस पर्सन को टच करो, आपका मन करेगा आप इस पर्सन के हाथ पकड़ो, or any other kind of sexual intimacy. So that kind of energy is what I can clearly see here. So this, you are understanding that this push and pull and this intense energy that you feel about this person, this physical these physical sensations that you feel about this person, it is not because it's a divine connection. It is not because this person is your twin flame or anything. This is just a part of you is wanting to fill a void. Okay, and that is it. There's nothing else, and this is something that you are realizing. For some it can be some other truth as well, but it is connected to void. Okay, this yearning is not a genuine yearning that you both feel for each other. All right, now why there's this void? It is because you need to heal your inner child. Okay, and यहाँ पे I won't say that for some it can be like some serious wounds and everything, where you haven't started your inner child healing wala journey, where you haven't started that inner work yet. And those who have started the inner work, you've come a long way and everything. The only thing that I see here is that you have a problem with a new start. Okay, or your inner child has that fear of having a new start in life. So probably you will see that you have some kind of hesitation when it comes to meeting new people romantically. Okay, or doing something new. Okay, having or experiencing something new, trusting something new, having faith onto something new. So anything which is new to you, or anything which feels new to you, that is where the fear arrives. And then again that push and pull keeps on happening. Why? Because your inner child is in the fear of starting something new, or to trust something new. Okay, to trust something new. And now because your ego wants to find an alternative, or your fear wants to find an alternative, so again that void kind of takes you again to the same person. And that is why you feel that yearning and everything. That is why you probably feel kind of safe, or this person may feel like home to you and stuff like that. But that is not the case at all. A lot of you are starting your new journey. बहुत सारे लोगों की यहाँ पे न्यू जर्नी स्टार्ट हो रही है, बहुत ब्यूटिफुली ये जर्नी स्टार्ट होगी. बट जब ये जर्नी स्टार्ट होगी, so it is also demanding a lot of trust and faith from you. Okay, universe is demanding that surrenderance from you. Universe is demanding that patience, faith from you, and that is exactly where you are lacking. So now you have to heal, where you can make your inner child feel safe when it comes to new experiences, when it comes to experiencing something new in life, when it comes to a new journey. Okay, so that is a major reason why you are still stuck in this situationship. But we will also see what is the truth of this connection. Okay, travel, signs, mask, bliss, healing and releasing. I think okay, firstly, the only truth that I can see about this connection is that you have to be conscious enough to understand कौन सा साइन एक्चुअली में है, कौन सा साइन एक्चुअली में नहीं है, कौन सा साइन आपकी रियलिटी के साथ मैच कर रहा है, कौन सा साइन आपकी रियलिटी के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा. बिकॉज फॉर सम आई डू फील दैट यू आर ईदर टू मच इनटू टैरो और you see a lot of videos, and probably some tarot card readers have told you that this is a divine connection, you shouldn't be letting go of this person and this and that. But let me tell you guys, be very particular about certain tarot card readers, be particular about who you choose to, let your destiny and let your energy read. Because जो पर्सन, जो रीडर जिस एनर्जी में होगा ना, वो वही चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं रीड करेगा. एंड यहाँ पे मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको कुछ ऐसी मिसकंसेप्शंस या फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन दी गई है एंड उस चीज़ को आप साइन पकड़ के बैठे हुए हो, एंड दैट इज़ द ओनली रीज़न वाई यू आर ड्रैगिंग दिस रिलेशनशिप. अदरवाइज आई डोंट थिंक दैट यू हैव एनी अदर रीज़न टू ड्रैग दिस रिलेशनशिप. ओके, सो इफ someone told you that this is your soulmate, you shouldn't let this person go, if you have been seeing certain signs, if you saw some dream and this and that, I don't think that is the case, and I don't think that should be the only reason for you to stay in this relationship, okay, or in this situationship or with this person. Because clearly I feel that you are aligning or vibrating on an energy where you're looking for some kind of a bliss in your life, where you're looking for some kind of happiness in your life, and you know that it is not here. Okay, and anyhow you can't, you will notice that what the signs that you see are not matching with the reality of this person. Okay, so ऐसा भी हो सकता है आप में से कुछ लोग ये भी सोचते हो कि नहीं नहीं ये पर्सन मुंह पे ऐसे बोलते हैं बट अंदर से इस पर्सन का दिल बहुत अच्छा है, एंड दिस एंड दैट, probably this person needs to heal, probably this person needs to release and this and that. No guys, that is not the case anymore. Okay, not at all. This person, if this person needs some healing, they will heal themselves. You are not responsible for their healing. You do not have to become the father or mother for their healing. Okay, they are not your biological child or anything. Okay, so whatever this person is showing you on the surface level, you need to trust that. Okay, if this person says that I'm not ready for the relationship, instead of asking or instead of thinking that, oh, probably this person is going through some pain, this person is going through this, blah 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 blah, leave it, leave the person. Okay, because I don't know why there I see two situations: either you have been giving a lot of second chances to this person, or this person has been giving a lot of second chances to you. So now universe is ending this situation. Okay, anyhow the situation is ending, so there will be no second chances anymore. This relationship is going to the graveyard. Okay, let me see how this person feels for you. Okay, 8 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands, and we have the Moon as well. So let me tell you one thing. सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये that I do feel that either this person is hiding something from you, or they are involved in some kind of a third party situation. Okay, number one. Now if I talk about how do they feel about you, definitely I do see that this person is interested in you. Okay, जो हर situationship में होता भी है. Anyhow, this person wants to communicate with you, this person wants to express certain things with you, but at the same time, again I do see that there's some third party situation. Okay, either they are involved with someone in their career, okay, who is already helping them, who is already, working with them and stuff like that. Because I don't know, I just have a feeling that this person is kind of treating you as a third party situation. Okay, so you are the third party here, not anyone else. Okay, So this person knows that you are the third party. This person is already with someone. This person or this person is already involved with something important. So they do not prioritize you, they do not look at you, they do not choose you, and you are someone who is kind of chasing them. Okay, they have another priorities and you are wanting to become their priority, and this is not love. So wherever you feel that the other person is not prioritizing you, or you have a feeling that I want to become their priority, no, it's a big no. Okay, so this person has this tendency where they kind of, इट्स लाइक वो अपना काम वाम निकलवा रहे हैं आपसे कहीं ना कहीं. अगर उनको कुछ चाहिए, अगर उनको बात करनी है, इफ़ दे वांट टू हैंग आउट विद यू, इफ़ दे वांट टू हैव फन विद यू और एनीथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, दे आर डूइंग दैट विद यू. दे आर डूइंग दैट मच ऑफ stuff with you. But other than that, if I really talk about them involving you in their life, that is not happening. Okay, then here also we have Four of Wands. So this person, 100% sure, I do feel that this person finds comfort in you whenever they feel lonely, whenever they want to talk to someone or anything like that, they would come to you. Okay, but that doesn't mean that this is love. Okay, and this is exactly where all the masking is happening. Okay, this person is only coming to you when they want some kind of comfort, and that is the time when you kind of when your heart melts and you feel, oh, this person loves me, oh, this person that, blah blah blah. But you also know that this person is drowning you into a situation of severe stress. For some severe stress, ऐसा हो सकता है कि आने वाले टाइम में आप बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन क्रिएट कर लो अपने खुद के लिए. ठीक है, आप अपने खुद के पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी मार लो इस पर्सन के चक्कर में. बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर यही पैटर्न चलता रहा तो आप इस चीज़ में ड्राउन होते जाओगे, एंड देन देयर विल बी अ सिचुएशन, अ catch-22 सिचुएशन, जहाँ पे ना आप इधर के रहोगे ना आप उधर के रहोगे. ओके, एंड देन अनदर कार्मिक साइकिल विल बिगिन. सो दिस इज what I see. Okay, and I don't know, for some I also feel that this person lives a lot in victim mentality. They do feel that yes, बहुत sad situation, I want to be with my person and this and that, but then again they are not doing anything about it. A very sneaky energy. And you will see one thing, for some who are already healing themselves. तो इस person का मुझे यहाँ पे एक pattern दिख रहा है. Whenever you will be in your own zone, okay, whenever you will prioritize yourself, whenever you will prioritize your peace, this person is going to sneak in. Okay, why? Because they can't see you in peace. तो इस person को जब भी आप peace में होते हो, इस person को लगता है कि आप चले जाओगे या आप छोड़ के जा रहे हो इस person को. So ये कुछ ना कुछ अपनी sneaky energy करेंगे, directly, indirectly, or all of that. Now let's see the last one. Where is this connection heading to, or where is the situationship heading to? Okay, so I do see two situations here. Firstly, for some, this person whomsoever you are dealing with, there will be a divine timing. Okay, there will be a point जहाँ पे इस person के पास या तो दो ही choices होंगी, या तो इस relationship में रहो या इस relationship से निकल जाओ. Okay, and that is the time where they might even propose you. Okay, because I do see that the one who was kind of ignoring you, the one who was not really interested in you, the one who was treating you like an option or a choice, now this person all of a sudden starts to have feelings for you. Okay, and they will start seeing you as a perfect match and everything. Okay, so they will see you as your soulmate. So definitely I do see that this relationship or this situationship is going to ascend or may ascend to a higher level of commitment, but it is not for everyone. Because at the same time I also see friendly support. So there is a possibility where this person would want some healing, okay, where this person would want your light, and they will come with an intent of friendly support, but they will not show this to you. They will probably bombard you with love. They will confess something to you, okay, in a loving manner. They would want to spend time with you. They will start talking about marriage and this and that, so that you start believing them and all of this. So I do see two situations. One, where I do see that this person is actually starting to have feelings for you. They see you, they will start seeing you as their perfect match. They will start seeing you as a soulmate, and they would want to propose you. But the another situation that I see here is again the same drama. They would want to seek friendly support from you, but in a different manner, probably by flirting with you, or by talking about marriage, kids, being too futuristic and this and that. So that kind of energy can be there. Okay, so that was your reading. I hope it helps. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care.